Welcome to Court Helicopter Explainer, where today we are looking at the conduct of the Governor of Busia, His Excellency Otuoma. He has been captured live kicking a citizen of the Republic of Kenya during the distribution of seats in Busia County. Has the governor done anything wrong? Is it allowed that government officers can kick any citizen? What is the difference between a governor kicking you, a president kicking you? You get a slap from a police officer. You get a slap from a senator. You get humiliated. You remember at one time, there was the time the Deputy Chief Justice, Nancy Barasa, was accused that she had poked the face or the nose of a watch lady, and she was removed from office. Is it really an offense? Can we trivialize that issue that people in power can slap you, they can spit on you, they can tell you anything that is there? The answer lies in chapter 6 of the Constitution of Kenya. That is what is called the Leadership and the Integrity chapter. Today, we are doing this explainer because if you look, this is the Anti-Corruption Court number 6. Otuoma is supposed to be charged here for the offense that I'm going to tell you. And we shall be insisting that the law takes course because that is an offense under leadership and integrity. Here we are. It says, Article 73, the authority to a state officer, the authority assigned to a state officer. A state officer is a governor. Otuoma is a state officer. He has taken an oath as a state officer. What is his conduct and behavior expected to? 1. A state officer is a public trust to be exercised in a manner that is consistent with the purposes and objects of this Constitution. 2. Demonstrates respect for the people. A state officer, that authority he has, he must use it to respect the people. Did Otuoma respect that person of Busia by kicking him? He did not respect the people. Number 2, that authority assigned to Otuoma is supposed to bring honor to the nation and dignity to that office. Did the conduct of Otuoma kicking a citizen bring honor to the nation Kenya? No. It brought dishonor. It brought humiliation to the Republic of Kenya. Remember, a state officer, why he's called a state officer? He's because he represents a segment of the state. The president is the commander-in-chief and the head of state. A governor represents a state, that is the county government of Busia. Did that conduct bring honor? It did not bring honor to the nation. It did not bring honor to the county government of Busia. It brought dishonor, and that is the conduct unbecoming of a governor. It moves on to say, his authority is to promote public confidence in the integrity of the office. Did his action of kicking a citizen bring public confidence? No, it did not bring public confidence, and therefore Otuoma is guilty for these offenses that we are trying to say. Number B, Otuoma is given these powers. Power is vests in the state officer. The power that vests in the state officer is the responsibility to serve the people rather than the power to rule them. That is what we are saying. The governor is supposed to serve his constituents. He is not there to rule them. Ruling people is like Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in Iran. Is like the president of Venezuela, who was ruling people. In Kenya, the state officers serve people. They don't rule people. And that is why the Constitution talks of servant leadership. Did Otuoma comply with Article 6 of this Constitution? He failed. It moves on to say that he takes an oath of office. Under Article 77, Otuoma takes an oath to serve the people. Then his conduct is governed under Article 75. He says, a state officer shall behave, whether in public and in official life, in private life, or in association with other persons, in a manner that avoids the conflict between his interests and the public or official duties. He should behave in a manner, C, that stops demeaning the office of the governor of Busia. Remember, Otuoma, that office is not his. That office belongs to the people of Busia. The way he demeans that office, what is the available remedies about that? The available remedies under Article 75(3), if a person behaves like Otuoma, a person who has been dismissed or otherwise removed from office for contravention of this clause is disqualified from holding any state office. So Otuoma should be removed from being the governor because he is now found unfit to hold a public office. Otuoma was a former minister in the old regime under the Kibaki regime. He knows this law. He is a governor. So we as Court Helicopter have brought it to you. The entity mandated to ensure this is prohibited, such character is prohibited, is under Section 79. What does Section 79 say? Parliament shall enact legislation to establish an independent ethics and anti-corruption commission, which shall be and have been the status and powers of our commission under Chapter 15 for the purpose of ensuring compliance with and enforcement of the provisions of this chapter. Therefore, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, which is an independent commission, is supposed to take action, arrest Otuoma, bring him here, charge him, and he leaves office. Wakili Danstan Omari will always bring to you topical issues. It is not about what you feel, it is about what the law says. And this time, it is the Constitution under Chapter 6 that has been violated. The consequences are: 1, Otuoma can be impeached; 2, Otuoma should be arrested by EACC and be brought before this court. And once he comes before this court, once he takes plea, you know definitely he'll be barred from holding public office. Keep watching. That is the law, always, from Court Helicopter News. Thank you.